this position 2 years ago, playing Game 3 against Creamline in the PBL Finals. That time around, it didn't work for you. This time it did. So, what did it take for Petrogas to change that story this time and finally get the better of Creamline and win your first All-Filipino Championship?
I just think that we learned from the past and we came together even when times were tough, our backs were against the wall. We all made sure to stay together and be patient because our time was going to come, and thankfully it did. And I'm just so proud of my team.
Yung nga sabi ni MJ, paano ba?
Step by step, step by step to step.
Kasi maglalaro lang talaga ako, yun lang yung goal ko eh. Pero yun nga, binigay din talaga ni Lord sa amin to siguro. And sobrang proud sa teammates din. And yun nga sinabing din namin na ilaban na namin to na parang walang bukas na para kahit paano makuha namin championship at ma-feel din yung All-Filipino Championship natin. So, success naman.